Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Missybeelondon, and I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Tress, the first box of 2019. Let me open a box right now and I'll show you what is inside. First of all, you're going to see the card that lets you know what is inside and instructions on how to use the products. Look at this lady's lovely afro. Her name is Afro Glory. Find her on all social media platforms. And at the back of the card, oh yeah, it's a takeover. Hey Queens, it's a takeover. But yes, as you see at the back of the card, it gives instructions on what each product does in your hair. Oh yes, Tress box costs £20 per month. I've got a discount code Missybeelondon 10. £20 for all these products, yeah? Remember, the first product is the shampoo, Restore Me Cream Shampoo. It is no sulfates, no minerals, no parabens, no paraffins, no formaldehyde, and it's good on natural hair as well. It's a nice creamy shampoo. It smells very nice as well. The next is Restore Me Cream Conditioner. This is the milk and honey line as well, and like I said, no sulfates, no minerals, paraffin, petroleum and formaldehyde. Smells very nice as well. Very nice creamy conditioner. I mean, can't wait to use these products. Yeah. The next is this. I've done it in the way that the process of how you go do your hair as well. Hey. Next is Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. All these products are for natural hair. It has no mineral oils in it, no sulfates, no parabens, no petroleum, no formaldehyde. But yes. And the next is the Tame Me 24-hour edge control. Claims to be non-sticky, non-flaky. Adds incredible shine. Like I said, lasts for 24 hours. The last product is the Lottabody Cocoa Nut and Shea Oil Hydrate Me Pure Deep Conditioning Mask. No sulfates, no mineral oil. For all natural hair types, or for all hair types. Provides extreme moisture, conditions and softens, detangles and adds shine. And they included a lovely deep conditioning plastic hair cap to put on your head when your hair is in the deep conditioning phase. There you go. You can reuse this. If you don't put holes in it, you can reuse it. Just wash it and then use it again. Yo, you gotta do things to survive nowadays, you know. You gotta like do cut back somewhere. So yeah, plastic hair cap it is. Oh, it's a good box for the beginning of the year. Can't wait to see what's in February's box. Like I said, all these products, 5 for £20, and you got to add the extra P&P to the pricing as well. So remember that. Discount code is Missybeelondon 10. Put that in the checkout box. You'll get a little discount as well. Remember that. Don't think you can get this in the UK properly. So hey, this box would be useful to get if you want to try the Lottabody milk and honey range, because this is a new range. I think it only came out like last year or something. But yeah, there you go. I'm closing the box now. And I can't wait to use these two in the box. First of all, the Hydrate Me Deep Conditioning Mask, because you know I'm all about deep conditioning my hair, because I've got afro natural hair. My hair is 4C. Check out my other videos to see my hair. I apologize for not doing a face to camera, but hey, this is life. The next product I can't wait to use especially is the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. I'm all about adding moisture into my hair during the styling process of my hair and to keep my hair moisturized during the times my hair is out or in a style before it gets washed again. Thank you for watching this video. Details for the website and discount code will be in the description box. Come back again for the next unboxing next month. Goodbye.